built up every stone. I make it through sweat and bones. And when my hands are growing tired, I come alive. Kingdom, my kingdom, whoa. Kingdom, my kingdom, I come alive. Kingdom, my kingdom, whoa. Kingdom, my kingdom.
Let's zoom out a bit. Morning. It's already Sunday fun day. I didn't work on the house yesterday. We went to Bolt Castle, which is quite a drive for us, but somebody on Craigslist was selling this vanity top for $20. So I said, why don't we go get that and then go to Bolt Castle at the same time.
Days up and down, they come and go, and there's not much I can do.
Look at all the coins! What if they put the dollar
I feel like a stranger to this world. It's never been so true.
Ooh, look at this
I don't
original
know
stuff.
anymore. Where is my place? Hey, hey. So I keep turning around, longing for better days.
I just went to the store and I bought everything that I should need to prime the walls, the wood. And I bought some spackle fixing stuff. For any little spot where I've hit the sheetrock, I'm going to try to fix that. And then I'm also going to try to sheetrock and finish above the shower so I can prime all of that. So yeah, if I can get the whole room primed today, I'd be pretty happy.
Sun up, sun down. I know now. You are the one. I know now. And that, my love. And I'll say you're sorry about it all. And how you're so worried we'll let it fall. Don't let it break as they all did before. Baby, oh come on now, open the door. You said, my dear, you'll be fine. It's oh so clear. You're not mine.
So this door here, this door is a little weird. For those of you that have been watching for a while, you'll know, but it's really narrow. And it's just the way that it ended up, you know. At first I was going to have the door on this wall right here, where you walk out of the bathroom, and it was going to be a full big door. It was going to swing open just like this, and then you were going to walk into the bathroom. But that layout didn't give me really good places to put a shower and things, so that's why we moved it to where we moved it. Put the shower in the corner, put the door over here, and I love the shower layout. I love the whole bathroom layout, really. This door was the one sacrifice, because I've got a big beam right here. Like this little detail right here, that's not just for looks. There's a huge beam that runs the whole length of my house. So I couldn't go any farther to the left unless I wanted my door to be really low. Which, I mean, I'm 6 foot tall, so you can only imagine. You know, can you have a door that's only like 6'3"? Probably not. The door had to be to the right of that beam, and I could only go over so far because I have another big beam right here. A big beam that holds up my whole new higher ceiling structure. It was like, this is as big of a door as we could get. Let's just look at it this way. The door I have right now that may or may not fit here because I don't know if I did it correctly, we'll probably just use for like a little while. And then what I'm hoping is that on Craigslist or something, someone lists like a 28-inch door that's cute as all heck, and we can buy it, trim it just a little bit, and get it to fit. That's what I'm hoping. But for now, you know, it uses an old door, it keeps it out of a landfill. It was kind of fun for me to modify and get to the right size. Careful not to bump the sheetrock. Okay, so this, oh yeah. Careful not to bump the sheetrock. Bong. I had to fill that in with a piece of wood. On this side, it's pretty cool. You can see how it's pegged. I say that we'll only use this for a little while, but you never know. It may grow on me.
Should we talk about where we get our design inspiration from?
At some point, I think that it'd be important to, just mention it.
So,
I think we're eclectic, but
what's that mean?
like a lot of different looks.
Oh,
So hopefully it has
we're
cohesion.
definitely it's going to be modern in parts, and then extremely rustic in some parts, and then I hate saying farmhousey, but it's farmhousey. Okay, so for me, it's all about honoring the age of the house where we can.
I think it's important to honor the age of the house, but I'm not like into design that much. So there could be like 500 different designs that I would be happy with. So as far as like picking an actual design, it takes me a long time to make any choice. And I don't know if I'll always be that way, but I'm not like super discerning on my choices.
You mean you're pretty terrible at making decisions? Is that what you're saying?
Yeah, about that.
My concern with the door being this way is that it's awkward because you have to walk up to it, grab the handle, pull back, go into the room. But it's really actually not that awkward at all. Can we just don't tell Sarah that this probably is a better way? So I sort of wanted it the other way, but this is the better way. But don't tell her. And this isn't necessarily what we're gonna do either. Sometimes when you don't know what you're doing, you just gotta experiment and just kind of see if this is what you want, see if you like it, kind of see what it looks like.
Sometimes love takes time, like the old oak of us will rise. You're always mine. You're always mine. I hold my breath, no give and take. I could never walk away. The giving ground, no backing.
Hi everybody! Lucas is traveling for work, so I snuck up here to do a quick paint test. Lucas doesn't think we need to check for color with the actual paint, but I can't wait to check it. So we're gonna check it. Are you ready? Okay, we're gonna put it right here. Do You like it? You like it? I like it. What do you think? It'll be different when it dries. Maybe a little bit lighter. It looks pretty blue-gray. It's just what we're going for, right? I think it'll look nice. Yeah. This marble right here looks good. It looks good, doesn't it, babe? There you go. I'm spackling all the holes that we face nailed the tongue groove onto the wall with so that it'll make a more uniform look when we paint it.
Ruins looking for a place to start. If I'm honest, I don't know who I am. All I see is a man who's waiting for a wake-up call. So won't you touch this heart that doesn't have a song to sing, and sing it to me, and sing it to me. Open up my mind that cannot find a melody, and sing it to me, sing it to me. Keep singing.
I know Lucas really does not like to paint, but I love to paint because it's a huge transformation and it takes very little effort, and I let my mind just wander, which is really nice. When you're a mom, you're always thinking about something. So when I'm painting, I can just paint. I have to say that Lucas did an absolutely beautiful job when he siliconed the top of that board. It is like perfect. You can't tell where the seam is. And we're over here in this corner where it's the darkest because it doesn't have as much light.
Hi.
Hi, care for the well, okay? It's wet. Okay. Do you like it?
Yeah, it's beautiful. You're beautiful too.
Sarah's on to coat 2. Seems purpley to me right now. This wall doesn't seem purpley, it's more blue. It's funny how paint can change just by the littlest differences of how the light refracts.
Lifting slowly.
So what we're planning on doing here is building a plinth box. We're gonna keep it pretty simple for this first room. We can always add more layers and detail as we go, though.
There's the way it goes. Do you want to help me paint? Yes, look, you can say hi. We're gonna try to do some painting.
Easier letting go when you know that you got nothing to fear, because you're safely standing miles around, you never see it because you're nowhere near.
We're going to the mowers now? Jeez.
Yeah, you got to.
We're up to 12,000 subscribers.
Oh my gosh.
For your softball?
Yeah. Don't mess with me.
You know what it reminds me of? My grandmother's house that I grew up going to. It's that old look.
Getting there. A lot of little places. I'd rather just use my paintbrush and go careful instead of putting tape up. It seems to work.
Yeah, they're handy.
Yeah, if you're left-handed.
All you gotta do is hold that piece of wood up, and I'm gonna see if I can't knock it into next week. I think it is. Okay, cool. That worked. I'm surprised.
You're successful in sending your problems from your stream.
We did end up adding a little cap piece to the molding above the door, but I didn't get video of it.
Things got kind of crazy at the end of the day.
Oh, they did. The kids reached their limit.
Yeah.
It's taken a while to finish the bathroom.
Well, when they say the finishing stuff is what takes forever, like, that's for real. We only want to do it once, though, if we can help it.
That's it for this week's video. Thanks for watching. If you made it this far, remember to hit the like button, and we'll see you next time we turn the camera on.
Wait for me, wait for you, wait for me. Click and scroll, I can't let you go.